Hi guys, and welcome back. It's starting to warm up and it's time to start working on these machines again. And I just want to show a quick tip. When you're working on a unit that gas has been sitting in for a while, or maybe something that you haven't worked on before, you never know what's in that gas tank. So rather than clean out the gas tank, in this case it's not bad, the gas tank is right here, but some of the units have the gas tank under the seat. It's a little bit of a job to clean them out. What you might want to do, and what I do that I found it to be very useful, I took this gas tank out of a tractor that's not going to be working anymore. Simply use something to tie it with, in this case one of the tie downs. Add a length of fuel line. How long? It depends on what you're using it on. If you're going to be working on push mowers, you want this hose to be a little bit longer. This isn't necessary, but I find it very useful. I put a shut-off valve on here, so if I have gas in this tank and I'm ready to take it off, I could just shut it off. I don't have to worry about draining this tank. And the whole purpose of this is that I know the gas going into this carburetor is clean. I don't have to worry about any blockages or any water that might be contaminated in it. I know the gas is good. And from that point, I just continue forward. Now I got this tractor running and another tractor running using this tank. I'll be reconnecting the gas line, changing the gas filter. This looks like it's been here for a while. The oil has been changed on this already. Machine can use a good cleaning, a new fuel filter. I'll be reconnecting the old gas line, but before I do that, I'll be cleaning out this tank. Once it's cleaned out, I'll hook up the old gas line, fresh fuel, and this is ready for this coming season. This does save a lot of time. And on the push mowers, especially if you picked one up, it might be a dump pick or it might be a curb pick, whatever the case may be, you don't know what's in that tank. Save yourself a lot of grief and aggravation by making sure you're using fresh fuel, the tank is clean, and you're ready to go. Well, I hope that was of some use, and if you found this video entertaining or useful, be sure to post your comments down below. Let me know. Give it a like, and if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Until next time, stay safe.